In this clip, we'll be taking a look at better organizing your Zotero library of sources. While this is not a necessary step, it can be helpful to have a well-curated library to make your sources easier to track down, especially if you notice any problems. First, let's look at the Zotero window. In the center of the page, you'll see any sources you've added to your library with handy icons to denote types of sources. If you select a source, the full citation information is displayed on the right-hand side of the page. You're free to select any of the fields here and edit information as needed. Given that Zotero is pulling from these sources to generate citations, the more information you can include the better. Ideally, sources pulled from academic databases are correct, but sometimes errors can occur. To aid in organization, you can also use the Notes, Tags, and Related tabs on the right-hand side of the Zotero window when you have a source collected. These are not used to generate citations, but can help you keep track of sources. Another way to keep track of your sources is to organize your library. On the left-hand side of the page, we have My Library selected by default. The library, in this case, is all of your sources. You can create new libraries with the button at the top. In addition, you can create folders called collections within your library as well. You can drag and drop sources within collections or libraries as needed. Finally, also in the left-hand tab is the Duplicate Sources. If you're adding lots of sources, it's natural to sometimes get duplicates. Zotero will automatically flag these and add them to this section in addition to their placement within your libraries or collections. When we click on Duplicate Sources, the library in the middle changes to show just these items. Clicking on any item highlights its duplicates, and the right-hand box will now change as well. Within this box, we can see the differences in the items and choose one to use as the master item or default, and then merge them when you're satisfied. In this case, there were two entries for the same article, with a formatting difference within the abstract. Any merged duplicates will be corrected in all of their respective libraries and locations, so there is no need to worry about losing any information.